All right, everybody, we're going to start today off just a little bit differently. We're going to start it off with a cheers to target one, everybody. Let's go. First target was 31. Next target is 29. Next target is 29, everybody. Let's get a cheers up in the air. I forgot to take a sip. Let's go, everybody. Clean. All right, let's dive right in. How is everyone? Did you have a good weekend? I hope you had a great weekend, but we are in position one. We are rocking. Let's see what we got for the economic calendar here. We'll start it off with the news. If I remember right, we have GDP on Thursday, so we're chilling. Nothing today besides some Fed speak. Not a whole lot tomorrow. Consumer confidence, 10 a.m. tomorrow. So we're kind of on the sidelines as far as that's concerned until tomorrow for news. All right, let's start on the daily chart. High and tight flagging as far as I'm concerned. Mancini keeps talking about 19 as the over-under. 19 over-under. Big sell under 19. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. I still see this. We're still in position one. We're still in position one on the daily chart. Very nicely. 220 price. Everything is increasing at an increasing rate. Well, this one basically is. So we're in the chop zone in the 4-hour chart. We're in the chop zone in we're actually in position one on the 15-minute chart. Let's bring that into here. 15-minute chart, position one. Perfect. 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 Thank you for barging in, not closing it. Oh, I haven't let your sister out yet. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Had to let the dog out there. All right, let's see if we can get any traction on this bad boy. All right, so taking a look at the trade, what we have is position one, which is our context is where we're short. Position one in the 15-minute. We have the next red overtakes green here. Let me just draw it so you can see it raw. This is a big lowercase h, right? Old losing Rev went long here and tried to stay long, not realizing that there was a bunch of people just waiting to get into some sell orders here, right? Think about this. This is important. Old losing rev goes long here. Says, oh, look, double bottom, I'm going to hold. Oh, double bottom. I didn't get stopped out. Double bottom. Oh, here it comes. Not realizing that professionals like ourselves, now the new rev, has orders resting here to short with a stop right up here because of the 15-minute and the 2-minute position one. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get my level set up. Where is my Twitter? Oh, there it is. Okay. That was funny. What if I told you, get in the. Look at the. That's pretty funny. Okay, back to. Sorry. 29-second target. 29-second target. Good, good, good. Okay, 29, 19. That's where my target's 29. 29, 19. You have a beautiful short on the 15-minute chart. I think I think hitting 29 is very plausible. Am I guaranteeing anything? Absolutely not. But look at this right here. Right into position one right here. So you've got a 34 short too on the 15 minutes. I was on a call with Lexi and Elijah. Hold on a second. I was on a call with Lexi and Elijah when that trade fired off. I said, "Oh, look, 33 short." Lexi looked at me. Yep. Good. 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 Okay, stops down. Wow, they one ticked me. Yeah, 3150 is a trade too. I like it. I like it. I love it. I love it. Let's show it. Good. 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 So that's your revenge trade. One tick Rick. That's a good revenge trade, right? The proper revenge is served cold. Good. 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 This is good. He shoots, he scores. Okay, all out. +2, +4. That's how it's done, folks. Just like that. Anyone else have any targets? Anyone else have any targets? You guys are getting some. Already down to the 27s. Let's get it. Perfect trade. Do you even trade, bro? Welcome to the stream, everybody. Go ahead and smash that like button if you like what you see so far. We come out of the gate running. Look at this. We've got 2 perfect trades. 3, well, you wouldn't get filled on this one, but you've got several trades. Look at this one right here. Did anyone pick this one clean? Watch this. Watch this. Tell me if you see it. Ooh. Ooh. I should have left an order up there. Woo! Anyone? 33.75. That is money right there. That's money. You could be in every one of these trades. Here's a Erica, are you here? I have an answer from a question. Erica's question was, what does a continuation bar look like? Everybody, are you ready? Erica, are you ready? That is what we used to call a hidden GBI, aka a continuation bar, aka a nice little nugget, a gem. It's an out of place bar where old losing Rev thought that we were going to reverse. It doesn't have to have the tail either. It doesn't have to have the tail. Do you see that? That's so this would be an RBI. If this were a tall elephant bar, this would be an RBI. This would be the same thing, just hidden. Cool. Great questions by Erica, everybody. Great questions by Erica. Let's go. We nailed it, folks. Giggity. It's because okay. So now I want you to understand that we don't call it the hidden RBI GBI anymore. Hidden because it's supposed to be here. But imagine this would be the same thing. But it's hidden because it's not tucked inside of this previous bar's body. I had to stammer for a minute to figure out how to articulate what I'm seeing on it. You can see me caressing it with my mouse here. I'm like, well, the clown at the circus had peanuts, but what I really mean is this is tucked inside of the body of the previous candle. Hidden, this is not. Why could I not articulate that? There's the actual answer. So this would just be a continuation bar as opposed to calling it a hidden GBI. And hidden because it's red instead of green. Erica, great questions. I think there's 100 people that have that question. Yeah. Yep. Bongani, that is confirmed. And so then it looks like this. The trade looks like this. Now, would you get filled? I don't know that answer. But the trade looks like this. The hard part, or the secret is, we have to wait. I'm going to remove some of this stuff. We have to wait for a pinprick of some sort, right here, right? Otherwise, you get in and you're like, oh, this looks really clean. And then it goes one, oops, one, two, bink, stops you out, and then goes down. So that's the hard part about this scenario. Now, if you have your stop up here, you could go like this, right? We could be like this. Now assume that is with the trend in position one, first initial 15-minute on our side, that kind of thing. Great questions. Those were emailed to me by Erica. Andy, I never received the Amazon package from you. And everybody, we now have a P.O. box. Let's go. If you'd like to send me some swag, hit me in the morning. P.O. box will be on the website. It will be on the website. If you want to send, here's the deal. If you've got your favorite team and you want to see your favorite team on stream on a hat, I'll wear it. I can only wear Green Bay in the NFL. Okay. I'll wear any hockey team. I'll wear any baseball team. I can only wear Lakers. I'm sorry. So I can only wear Lakers and Packers. If you want your team's hat on my head, send it. 7 3/4 fitted. Copy, Jimmy. Like, remember when Bonnie was trying to get me to wear a Baltimore Ravens hat? There ain't no way. The Ravens are too good of a football team for me to wear their hat. I have to remain with a Packers hat. All right. What we're doing now is we're monologuing, waiting for the next trade. Here's why we have to wait. We're starting to move away from initial position one, the chart that's directly below me here. We're moving away from position one. We're in position one. It's just not initial. We want the alligator's mouth to just be opening, just the initial part of the alligator's mouth opening. Okay? So you can see that I took the 33. I got 31 and 29. 29 Mancini. What a good start to the morning. Let's get it. Let's get it, folks. We coming out swinging. We coming out gang banging on bacon and coffee. What? We are outside the narrowest range of the last 7 days. Let's confirm. Let's confirm. I think I have it drawn. Yep. That Tuesday bar, or the 18th. What day was the 18th? Tuesday bar was tiny. Poquito. $29 over under by Mancini. We are on the sidelines relaxing. Relaxing. Toes in the sand. A lot of capitulation volume on that 914 bar. And now volume is just dying. So did they run out of did they fire all their shells on the short? We don't know the answer. That's what we want the market to tell us. A cowboy hat. That would be interesting because it's very rare that a cowboy hat will fit my head. I will wear the cowboy hat. 7 3/4 round. Round. You see this cranium, boy? Do you see this cranium on my head? Huge cranium. Good, good, good. As long as it's in the NFL, it's the Packers, and in basketball, it's the Lakers. Other than that, open season. Now your company hat, well, that's different. If you send me a company hat, folks, there's terms that have to be discussed. This channel is monetized. Mm-mm. No, you are not. No, no, no. Wrong, Andy. Wrong. Is that under or over mentored, bro? I'm gonna have to think about that. Is that under or over monetized? Under or over monetized? What do you mean? The 29? Let's see. It'll tell us if that's what you're talking about, Rob. The 29 will tell us. We gonna find out. Oh, and for college football, it's the Oregon Ducks. I'm sorry. I only have 3 teams. Yes, this channel is now monetized. Yep. Yeah, you guys will. If you guys, so here's the deal. From now on, if you guys are not YouTube Premium, you are going to see commercials. When I'm in a trade or saying something real important, I'll pause the commercials. But as of now, this channel is monetized, and so certain swag is monetized. If you want your brand on my fat cranium, look, I got lots of space to rent out up here, right? It's pretty funny to think about. Just put some duct tape on my head. What does that say? So smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. I got to get used to saying something like that. It's not going to be that. We've got 3 minutes and 10 seconds till the opening bell, folks. What is it going to give us? We're going to find out. GDP Thursday. Do we waffle around between, let's just make up numbers and say 09 and 60? I'm just using the outer edges of the Mancini levels. Okay. And so what we are looking for, let me show everybody the analog. Let me pull it up here. Okay. The analog that we are searching for looks like this. We want it to go from a narrow state, meaning the 200 simple, the 20 simple, and the actual price. That's what this line is. It's line on close. We want them all to be the same number for an extended period of time, and then we want the alligator's mouth to open up. And here's how this works. Watch, I will show you. Okay, so it goes alligator's mouth open here at 8:42 a.m. Okay, so once we go past 8:42 a.m., we're going to take the first red overtakes green. This is what it looks like. You guys are getting a master class in this. You guys are getting the absolute master class in this right now. You go 2 ticks above here, 35. Here's the other trade that fired off that some of you got. You waited for the limit order to be filled, 35 stop. Okay, here's the next trade. You take the next red overtakes green. Here's the next trade. Boom. Okay, you don't take this one because you don't get filled. It comes into our targets and we're out. Okay, now, so what we're waiting for is all of that to repeat to look like the analog. It doesn't matter. You can flip this upside down for the short. Folks, that's it. That's your bread and butter. That feeds the children. That puts money in the bank account. That is what we do. So there's no trades until all of that comes back together if you're looking for 100 level only trades. Okay. A temporary tattoo of your face? Well, I look down at my phone. Watch it would look like this. Watch. I would look down at my phone, right? And all you're gonna see is Andy staring at you like this. That's creepy. Bro. Allie, this is not initial position 1. Not initial position 1. So we're relaxed. We're chilling. And Mancini 29, Al. Be careful. It has to tell us if it's going to break it. All right, we are open, folks. Volume is light. There's nothing for me to monologue here. We're on the sidelines until our analog comes back into fruition here. So I want to clarify something. Day trading is not for the dopamine hit. Folks, if you're here for the dopamine hit, I appreciate you coming, but that's not the client that I'm looking for. I'm sorry. This is not that stream. Okay. This is the stream that's going to show you how to make income on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. Okay. There's not the dopamine hit. I'm sorry. I don't have any drugs for you guys. Sorry. But if you're willing to, if you want to learn how to actually day trade, this is the channel. Okay, no dopamine hits here. All we do is have inventory, and we get rid of inventory. That's it. We in this business, in this trading room, all we're doing is running a retail business. There's no dopamine hits in our retail business. I'm sorry. All we do is find the best price to own inventory, and then we find the best possible price to unload our inventory. And that's what we do on a daily basis. That's how money's made in the futures market. That's how we trade in this room. There, I got that off my chest. I feel better now. There's something you don't know about me, Joe Rogan. I smoke ask. You got a beard for me, Joe Rogan? First hits for free. Mm-hmm. I have. Absolutely classic, Andy. Absolutely. Yeah, Dan Soder, he's impressive. Impressive. Let's go, Jeff B. Close it up. We'll see you later, buddy. Yeah, those shorts were perfect because we had the 15-minute tailwind. Okay, there's a new Mancini, but he says he's just repeating the same thing. 19 is less reliable now. I did get filled on my ad order on my ES call. 30. What was I bidding? 35? No. 7. I bid 7. So I put another $350 to work. So I bought one at 23, and then my ad fill was 7. 7-minute abs. So I have a beautiful, beautiful price, average price of 14.15. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it filled me at the rock bottom. Let me pull up the fitting. Last night, it went, hello, bink. And then my little chime went, boom. I love that order. Right at the 19s. I don't get to pick my ads. Everybody just get YouTube Premium. Okay. Because it is involved in your trading. It is a tax write-off, right? Just get YouTube Premium. Save yourself the heartache of you're in the middle of a trade. I'm saying something, and it goes, "Hi, this video is sponsored by Kotex." Right? You don't want that. You do not want that. Do we get paid for the ads? Yes, we do. Yep, this is now a monetized stream. You guys have through your efforts and cooperation, we now have enough traders on the channel that continuously watch the channel that they feel it is worth monetizing. So we're proud to announce that, folks. We have made it on the Market Flow, the live trading desk channel, which we do own now. We have all the login for it. So this is good. No puns intended. I am hesitant on any shorts right here, folks. This 1-2 step, okay, this 1-2 pattern has me chilling. It has to prove it to me, okay? We're not fresh in the initial one, position one. We're not, the alligator's mouth is not just now opening, okay? Trading was about patience. Trading is not the main verb. Waiting is the main verb. We're right in the middle of the distribution today. Jesse, the disqualifier. Let me show you this context. Okay, the disqualifier is right here. Okay, this bar could not get cleared again. This bar could not get cleared again. No shorts. Old losing rev is short right here. Okay, right here is the trigger. They can't reverse it here. Uh-oh. Oh, I'll try one more time. Uh-oh. I'll try one more time. Uh-oh. Okay. Yes, Bill. Yep. Yep. Now, to be clear, we have big things coming on SageFT.com. All of you are going to like it. And to find out more about what I just talked about, get a coaching call, get locked in. Get a coaching call, get locked in. I will show you exactly what we're doing. If you want to cut the learning time of your trading, get with Rev. Okay, I don't have to promote any other coaches anymore. Get with me and stop wasting your time. If you've been floundering around for a very, very long time and you're sick of losing at trading, your coach's name is Rev. Okay? Rev. That's your guy. We're going to break it down like Evander Holyfield. I'm going to show you exactly how to stop guessing immediately. Immediately. Mr. James. VWAP touch, big red bar of a VWAP. What now? Maybe I'll put the VWAP in there for you guys. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to add just VWAPleton. I believe in futures day trading, it is relevant. What's called order flow VWAP, right? Order flow VWAP. Okay, I will accept this. I wish I had the perfect signal, right? I wish I had the perfect signal. Everyone that was short just got clipped right there before it flipped. Clipped before flipped. I don't care. I just because the candles are printing doesn't mean you have to be in a trade. Where would you have entered, right? Here's where the entry would have been, and you didn't get filled. Right here. And you didn't get filled. So what? So what? Big whoop. Want to fight about it? That's a Family Guy reference, everybody. Okay. We chill. We don't care if the candle's printed without us. Save the mental bandwidth. Okay, I'm gonna put the new updated workspace in Discord. Download it. Don't click on it. Download it. Don't click on it. That's for Ninja Trader. There's my workspace. Full transparency. We have nothing to hide. Lock it in. Lock it in. Mr. Mart, good morning. We are independent, everybody. We are moving into three separate entities. The pieces of the puzzle are worth greater than the sum, than the whole. Correct. Smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button too and put the notifications bell onto alert, and it will tell you when we're going live. You'll never know. I'm gonna do pop up streams, and I'm gonna spit knowledge on pop up streams. You won't want to miss those. So make sure you also hit the bell, the notification bell. To support us, everybody, we are good through August 11th. So if you just cancel after this billing, right? So if you've billed now, we're staying like this. It's greatly appreciated. So Bill Roberts, you were charged 2 days ago. Okay, I'm still streaming, so it's still benefiting me 70% of the 149. Just so you guys understand, right? So understand that canceling it too early is not helping the stream. It's helping you guys financially, but it's not helping us. Either way that you do it, we're just done August 11th. We're going to come up with something else. Let me say that again. We absolutely have things in the works with SageFT. So we're just slowly rolling it over through August 11th. So you don't want to pay a subscription after July 9th. July 9th. And that's the best way to help us in the very, very short term. Copy. Wait. He's not on the stream? Ah. Yes. Okay. Yeah, coaching sessions. You can schedule them through August 9th on the MFT. And then if you would like to schedule after August 9th, it will be on the SageFT. It'll be on the SageFT website. Lifetime is still valid. Yep, legacy cost. We good, fam. We good. See, here's the deal. Nothing's really going to change, except for it's just going to be a different website, and we have great material coming out for you. We're going to fill in all the holes. Okay, if you've had a one-on-one call with me, we're going to fill in all the holes. Like the question of, well, I understand that he's telling me to take notes of blank, but what am I actually trading to get those notes? Got it. You asked the question. We have answers. It is all being put out in the curriculum. This is the way. This is the way. This is exciting. This growth is an open door for a very, very wonderful change This is good. This is good. Okay, 4260 next. Sell 09 if 19 fails. So the range is very wide for Mancini, right? Wide. Wait, hold on. What? So he's long. Based upon this tweet, he's long. Jeff, 100% goes to the team from now on. After when we shift. We will have the scheduling up soon. That's what Elijah was working on over the weekend. That's what Elijah was working on over the weekend. Yep. Yeah, let's hear it for the mods, everybody. Seth, Joey, Andy, Zach, Chris, Cheryl, Clyde is the cat, and Elijah. If I miss anyone, tell me. I think that's all of them. And especially everybody, especially Seth. All the graphics that you see, like right here, if we just go like this, right? Because there's some of you that are long. This all the graphics are Seth. The opening that you guys see was Chris Lewis, and then all the hard work from Andy every day, Joey every day. It's great. It's wonderful. We got the team, everybody. We've got the power team. I wonder. Let's see what those calls are worth right now. Anyone in the calls? I really did get filled at the bottom. Hold on, I'll tell you the exact time I got filled. It was literally on the downtick to 19. I put a wild bid in of 7. Oh yeah. I got filled 15 minutes after the market opened. Is that right? At 6:15 p.m. No. It would have to be no. That would have to be 9:15 p.m. Oh yeah, that's clean. I keep pushing the wrong button. Nice. I have the this Friday's 55.90s. Hey, I appreciate that, Chris. Yeah, I appreciate that. And folks, we have some other people coming on board that are going to help us. We have had people pledge help if we need it, and we are taking them up with an offer. We're what do they call that? Grassroots bootstrapping this thing. And over in the Discord, everybody, if you so the way that it works, if we want to stream over there after we stream on YouTube, I do believe we have to have 14 nitros to have 300 people in the live stream. Discord is community funded, however you want to look at it. Today is a very good day in the IRA. Tesla's looking clean. No, book. Do not wait to book a call. Everybody, do not wait. Do not let your trading suffer or be stalled out due to MFT transfers. Just schedule it when you need it. I Dan, Google it so I don't say the wrong thing. It's nerd talk. Sorry. It'll make more sense if you just or if you just go on to the Discord, and I think it'll explain what it is. If you click on the Nitro thing, it'll explain what it is. And it's a way of making it the support community based. That way, we can't just buy a server and make it badass. Everybody that joins the server, uh, I think it's $5 or $9 or something like that. Everybody's little bit of contribution pops in and helps. We're getting some liftoff here. Wow, that's a 15-minute boner candle, folks. Okay, we're all right. I'm listening now. I'm listening now. Go on. Go on. I'm listening. Hello. 3, 2, and then they just put an ad in there as we're hitting it. Oh, it tells me when there's an ad put in there. I got we are not in position 1, everybody. I'm going to step away. FOMO sunk in right as Davey typed it in. I'll be right back. Boy, that thing is ripping. Position one. We're above the 15-minute Keltner. 60 in play. Wow. Away. Never meant to fade. Come on, out. You can't just come in here. My dog just opens the door. I guess I don't close the door enough. I don't know. As you guys also noticed, there is a $sign button next to your chat. That's pretty cool. That's new. This new Mancini. It looks like it's still flagging. It needs to close above to get some sort of traction here. We did have some absorption at 49.75, which is showing that we could be looking for something to trigger here. Could plausibly. It is. It is. So does it show a sharp break and then retest, or does it just show a sharp break? At 49.75. Here's what it looks like on the tape. Watching 51.75, watching 56.25. Okay, and 66. Do they squeeze them, or do they give them a break? That's the question I want to know. Thank you. No, girls, you can't have any. Did they bring it back to the 20 simple first? My dog thinks she can just open the door anytime she wants. It's like she has thumbs. All right, here they come for some stops on the late longs. The week long is could get clipped if it breaks 49.75. I don't know how the premium subscribers works. You guys, that information can be Googled quicker than I could find it. I assume so. I don't know how it works though. Yeah, if she leans to the side, like, and her throat is on something, yeah, they snort. I was not able to short. I got no trigger on the long. We just went we went 29, 42, 60, 42 Mancini. Now we're back at 40 VPOC, VWAP. VWAP is 40, VPOC is 30. It's getting choppy. This is good. Right off of Mancini 42. Look at this. 29, 42, 60, 42. Okay, 48.50. The problem with 48.50 is it's got a huge stop. Okay. And it's a pullback to the 8 EMA. Oh, I probably was muted. Yeah, I'm on the sidelines until we get the correct what we're looking for. And so 48.50 is my over under. And everybody, after about 2 hours after the stream ends, so around 2 p.m. Eastern time, I will be completely offline until later this evening. Just so if you see me online, it's because I'm waiting for something. Okay, thank you. Isn't it cute that my oldest son, he's my stepson, still comes to get breakfast from mom? He's 22, works on his own, lives on his own. Mom, mom, I don't have any breakfast, mom. Mom, I need lunch, mom. 51's the hurdle, folks. 51's a hurdle. $51 is the over under by volume. You can see it here on the footprint on the volume profile. There's someone that has a ton of supply, and the offer is kind of just petering out. Yeah, they gave supply hard. So if you put these two together, if you look, you've got the high to high trend line, and you see that they're unloading supply there. Three minutes till the 15-minute bar closes. They've found supply above 51. So what if we go to 41, which is VWAP? Or what if we break 52? That's what I'm watching. I don't know what's going to happen. The battle of 46 on the 1 minute chart. Looks like the sellers are going to win it. 46 on the 1 minute chart. We might have a perfect setup forming on the 1 minute on the 15 minute here. They're hunting that VWAP. Nowhere, way too fast. Watching 48.25. Can it get 48.25? They were under the 8 EMA on the 2 minute. So that would be your white line. Hurry up and wait. Now we're in the chop zone on the 2 minute. Back at the downsloping 200 on the 15 minute. Yeah, that's over in the Discord. You can find that over in the Discord. They are leaning into the bid here. 42 over under. They are leaning into the bid again. So 30, if you look, they have a battle between 30 and 50. We're stuck right in the middle of it. Right in the middle of it. So what are we doing? Nothing. Nada. No, that was fine, Andy. I'm watching the pattern on the 15-minute chart off of 42. Either this is going to be an epic dump here in a second, or they're really going to come back to 50. One or the other. And the battle's at 43.25. How many stops are at 41 is what they're trying to figure out. VWAP 41. There they go. They have to get a little taste of the VWAP first. Here it comes. Bink. Bink. Here's the down move. There's the down move. Are any of you guys in it? I've got a cluster. I've got a Charlie Foxtrot here. The 1 minute became very, very clear. So if you look at the 15-minute, that's a hidden RBI, GBI after a bear 180. The problem is it's in a weird place on the 15-minute kiss chart. So there's really, even though we see a perfect candlestick pattern, it's like, okay, but is it in context with the rest of what we're looking at? For me, no. $42 over under. We're flirting with the VWAP. They are leaning into the bid, making them squeal. It's perfect. If I'm just looking at the 15-minute chart, there's nothing to look at on the 2-minute. I'm just looking at how if we go all the way out, overnight, we print 19. 19 the day before. Break up to, we break the 29s, come up to 42, test 42, fail, come down to 29, hold, break 42, go to 60, hold, fail back to 42. Now we've broke 42. So now we're asking the market, is this a failed breakdown or an actual breakthrough of 42? And we have nothing here on the KISS chart. Nothing. Oh, now I'm starting to get interested here. We're moving into narrow state on the 15-minute chart. I like this. We want to wait until, let me find the right picture. Give me 1 second here. We want to wait till it goes into narrow state and then moves away. So, no. So if we zoom in and we go over here, we want it to be narrow state, up or down, doesn't matter, up, narrow state, and then move away from the flat 200. We're going to trade this area right here. Okay. There's a second touch of 4150. Are they going to keep doing that? Or are they going to rip 42 wide open? Decision point right here. Boom! 42 clipped. Now what? Now what, right? We're on the top side of the VWAP. Do they keep it there or not? Yucky. 44 is the next volume node. And then you have a valley around 47. Let's go, baby. Now, the shorts have to start looking at what decision they're going to make, right? They're like, well, or now look at it a different way. The longs that bought under VWAP that got a good deal. Is it still going to be a good deal in 5 minutes? That's what they're going to ask themselves. Everybody, please hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're hitting the notification bell so you know when we go live. You know when we put out new videos quite frequently. Follow us on Twitter. Follow the Twitter is SageFT. Here's the Twitter. Revan Wood 1. Join us in our Discord. You'll love it. $48.25 over under. Rob, that's a lot of green bars. Bink. I'll take that. Thank you. There's no way we go higher. Watching 51 over under. Watching 51 over under here. Trying to find a new album. My album just went all the way through. What do I feel like listening to? There's your 50s. There's your 50s. You bought 'em. Decision point, 51 by volume. Let's go, baby. Did they ever put the album out, the rest of the album out by All That Remains? No, they have not. All right, we're going with standard. Yeah, clip that. Someone go back and clip that, and we can use it in the educational material. Yeah, it said don't short anymore. Because the way that you can look at it is we're sitting on the 2-minute flat 200. Flat 2-minute 200. And were we supposed to, and I'll draw it right here. I'll move it up here. Look at the very bottom of it. Were we supposed to look at this? And that's what was the fuel. So right now, is this a 42 failed breakdown? That's what we're asking the market. Look, it went 6.5 points down. It's about 6.5 points up. It's more than that, but now here's the perfect thing that can happen. Both 15-minute and 2-minute go into dormant movement, hiding resting, hibernation, go into narrow state, and then give the perfect signal out. Oh, baby. All right, PSC Westy, congratulations. Let's go. Watching 48.75 over under. 51 over under, watching 52.75. It's got to get through 51s. 51s is a big deal here. Big deal. I mean, if you look at just the 2-minute chart, we've got supply from here to here. That's a big hurdle. If we look at, what did I do with it? I lost my chart. Here it is. Look, we've got a hurdle here. It went right to 50.50. That's basically 51. Now what? Overlap that previous green bar. It has to make a decision, and then it does what, right? So, oops, I keep doing that. So we can go like this. Now or never. Now or never, right here. Because, and here's why I'm saying that. Again, let's go back to the volume. VAH 49. Tale of Two Kitties 30 and 50. VWAP 41. Yeah, they're leaning on the bid again. They'll have to stop giving supply for this to move up. And as of right now, this 2-minute bar is in control to the downside. 875 to 51 is my over under. Uh, 850 to 51. See it right here? Baseline leaner. Here comes 44s. It's go time. I'm not saying short because we're an absolutely yucky price action. Photos. New photos memory. Oh. Go. She's so cute. That was great. Is that the bar that the longs were looking for? Are they going to hang their hat on this bar? That we're going to find out, right? Okay, watch from 49.75, or it's going to completely fall on its face. 49.75, or it's going to completely fall on its face. 49.75, or it's going to completely fall on its face. Here we go. Game time. There's 9.5. There's 9.5. It's got to go. It's got to go right here. Otherwise, this is a fake out bar. It's got to go right here. 850 over under. Remember, we have it circled. Ah, did I do it again? I did. See, we have it boxed off here. Look, 850 to 51. Struggled. Look at that. Death. It's got to go. Let's go, baby. Pick a direction, please. Okay, 48.50 to 45.25, right? Yeah, it has to pierce 50 with confidence. I absolutely agree. It's got to, because 48.50 right now, you can see they have supply above 48.50. So it would have to be a new buyer, but there's not going to be a new buyer. Watch this, until we get up here. It's got to go right now. Because it's going to go 52s. If this thing gets through 50, it's going 52s. If they keep hitting their head on 50, it's going 45. Okay. We're trying to move into position 1. We're trying to move back into position 1. We need a big uptick though. He shoots. He scores. First target. Okay. 51.75, 52.75, 54.75, 56, and 59. It's got to close above 50, 53 quarters. 50 spot 75. It has to close above there. And then you have to split 51 right in half. It's got to go right now. Shawshank Redemption. Chicago. You're out of here. Chicago. You know, the Family Guy, they think that is the best song they've ever wrote, right? The Shapoopy. I disagree. They've wrote better songs. 51.50. Look at that. 51.25 print. Like I said, it had to push right through 51. So far, they have supply again. You can see it. VPOC shifts to 50. Surprised? Absolutely not. Decision point. You can see it on this bar. That was not what the longs wanted to see. That was not good for the longs there. That was not good for the longs. This bar has to reclaim right now. Otherwise, exactly what we were talking about is coming through. 48.50 to 51. Okay. Look, it's happening. Oh. Huh. Imagine that. They shifted VAH to 53 because of the volume that clipped to 50. I'm still holding 51.50 to 51, 48.50 to 51 as my tape read. 83% green. Ladies and gentlemen, get your vote in. Get your vote in, please. This is historical. Oh, I'm green. So you can put me in there. I don't know if I can vote. I'll have to vote for my phone. I am green. He's green. Over under 49.50 now. The reason I say that is we need the coral snake to go away on the 2-minute. When one of the moving averages just goes red, green, red, green, red, green, that's a coral snake. We need some 51.75s in our life, everybody. We need a little 51.75 in our life, please. We need a little 51.75 in our life. We need some 52.75 love. We need some love. We need 55 still has that large offer 400 times. Do they know something? Did they get to accumulate? We need some 5275 in our life. I just explained it thoroughly. So just rewind it would be the best way. That way it's I don't say it two different ways. But it's just every red overtakes green. Green overtakes red. Position one. And then the catalyst again was this right here. We have it circled here, right? It's the VWAP. And so I'm 4875, Pat. 4750 and 4850. Do you see them right here? Green overtakes red. We've got the reversal bar. Green overtakes red. You actually also have a 4950 with a 4675. Do you see it? You see it. You see it better than you think you do, Pat. I know you do. I need a little 5275 in my life. I need a little 5275 in my life. Come on. I don't think I have enough stops in. I think I moved the orders wrong. I need a little 5275 in my life. I'm going to take those out right here. Oh, we're all playing the same game now. Come on. I moved it down, right? Did you guys just see what happened there? I moved it down to 5250. It filled 40 of the 90 that were there. And then it just went, yeah, no, we don't need you anymore, bro. Okay, it says I have 4 stops. Yeah, somehow I have this all screwed up. They're going to come down and take this stop. I know. Oh, my God. Okay, 51s. They had supply. That what we had supply, right? This is why we're the market maker, not the market taker. Does this make sense? Are they going to eat the supply above 51? Oh, folks, I'm rather irritated right about now. You cannot see it on my face. Yep, I screwed up by showing you guys my stop. It will 100% guaranteed get hit now. Let's go, LZ. Let's go, baby. Let's celebrate their first super on a live stream, everybody. This is the inaugural super chat from Al Z. Let's go, baby. If you hit that $sign button, you are more than welcome to send us a super chat, send us a tip. We appreciate them. That was $800. That was $800 that just erased. On the no fill at 52.50, that was an $800 profit erasure. I will never show you guys my stop when I have 6 contracts ever again. I'm kidding. That's a joke. Inside joke. Now, we read that tape perfectly. Did we not just absolutely execute the way? I mean, folks, I said 48.50 to 51. They have supply above there. And sure enough, here comes the supply. Wah, 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 wah. Right? So, perfect. Now we wait. Now, look how perfect this is on the 15-minute chart. We're coming right up into narrow state. All of these lines come together, and then we wait to figure out which way it's going to go from there. Yeah. Yeah. Well, YouTube takes 30%. Unfortunately. But thank you. It's greatly appreciated. We nailed that, guys. Pat B, did you get some of the juice? Here's how I have it drawn, my guy. Here's how I have it drawn. And there was one more right here. There's all the trades that I took. I am green. That is why you watch the stream. My tape reading, folks, I'm telling you. I've been staring at this since 2009, 2010. 2010. I've been staring at futures tape since 2000. December of 2006. 18 years on futures. I'm not saying I've been winning for 18 years. No. Well, Ryan, you saw the deal. I'm going to step away for just a second. I'm exhausted. I am very, very, very proud to announce, ladies and gentlemen, the poll, we're going to end it right here on a record. 83% green. Unheard of. Listen, that's the most unheard of thing I've ever heard of. Do you understand? That is the most unheard of thing I've ever heard of. That's going on twit X. X. I got caught monologuing. Oh, hey, if you're in, go gadget arms, everybody. 125 target, 375 stop. Get your 175s. Get them out, everybody. Canceling my bid. I got caught monologuing. Let's go. I got caught. Chris, I got caught monologuing on that one. Don't, Bart. I like that. That's called the Lexi bar. If anyone's wondering what Lexi trades, right? Think about it. That's a failed breakdown. That is a failed breakdown. Boop. There's your target. He shoots. He scores. We go ghost. We got that drawn out pretty damn good. Come on. Bink. Chris, you see this? I know you see it. Chris, do you see this? Yeah, I'm looking right at it. But do you see it, man? Relax your eyes to see the sailboat, man. Okay, we're on sidelines now. We got some kerfuffle, as Judge Judy would say, right here on the old Kiss Hortino. Some kerfuffle. Copy, everybody? You got kerfuffle here. 15-minute kerfuffle. That 200's going the wrong way. Oh, look at the fitting. Look at the fitting. I'm gonna leave it here. Be careful, everybody. Be careful. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Dan Bergdahl with the $130 super chat. All right, those of you guys are supposed to type questions in. I mean, you can compliment us. We appreciate it. Type a question in if you have it. Super chat it. Everybody, this is mwah, magnifico. Magnifico. Now, to improve your trading, get with me as your coach. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to show you how this works. You know, Lexi, the thing is we wouldn't have it any other way. Let's go. Wouldn't have it any other way. That's why we trade. Right? So when the kid has the sniffles, there's no shuffling work or any nonsense like that. Nope, charts are closed. Sorry, guys. Oh, okay. See you tomorrow. Great. All right, you see how this box here's got me held up? Got me chilling. Show me the money. Dan Bergdahl, thank you for the 130. Let's get it, everybody. Al Z, thank you for the 100. How do we like it? Okay, we like that. How do we hit the like button on that? Oh man, it rolled back to 750 and tapped. 1 minute is complete debauchery sideways. Why does it feel like 60 is about to print? Have a great day, Jeff. Congratulations. Great job, buddy. One and done for Jeff today, folks. One and done. We are at VPOC. This says chill. Look at this. I'm going to leave this right here for right now because of the significance of it. I'll be right back. What a morning. What a morning. Not much to say besides, yeah. YouTube takes 30%. Okay. One way you guys can tip is through the coffee link. Just go to SageFT.com and just click on the coffee. Click on the buy me a coffee. Oh, SageFT is down right now because Elijah is hooking it up. Oh, yeah. Just click on the little coffee link here. If you don't want to go through YouTube, greatly appreciated. Everybody, thank you for the support as we transition through this pivot, we will call it. Okay. Okay. Watching 5075. The reason I'm watching it is we're going into position 1 at VPOC. They would need escape velocity and a new buyer for it to push to 54s. I'll be right back. Oh, so they're absorbing the supply. Can they continue? These dogs keep opening the damn door. Out there. Out. All right, Robert. Have a great rest of your day. 47 over under. We got about 15, 16, 17 minutes left of the stream, everybody. Stay safe. We've had a wonderful morning. What I'm watching is we're at the VPOC of 55.50. Okay. We're at this point where it has to make a decision. I'm watching 57.75 and 65.75. Wait, who else had a 57.75 target? Good. It's got to get through this 51.75 first. He has unlimited supply. I think if we just leave these two charts up, it'll tell the story. But if we just leave it like this. The question we're asking the market is, do you continue to supply 50 and above or not? That's it. That's the only thing we're asking. Nothing to do while we're sitting here sideways. It's gotta move away from this. Okay, 47 is a decision point. And the reason I say decision point, let me bring this back, is this is where everybody started to buy right here. CQG, continuum. Let's go, Reginald. Great job, man. They're leaning on the bid again, folks. This sword on the 15-minute is plausible. So the over under is the top is the 51. See how it kind of slows down right here? That's what I was talking about in this square, this rectangle here. Sideways. Everything's just kind of sideways. You got your 15-minute, 20, and 200 coming into each other. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Let's go ahead and get this session wrapped up. This is your midday review. What we were looking at when we started off was this bar right here on the 4-hour chart. This actually completed as a profitable buy. The buy around 29, and you would exit around 44. So those of you that got that, great job. Your stop was below this swing low. Okay, and now what we're flirting with is, can we move this 4-hour 20 back into position 1? But let's talk about what happened, what transpired overnight. Overnight, the 19s were clipped. We have a Mancini 19, and he's been talking about it for a few days now. It holds to the tick, and then we go up to, so it was 1942.60. Okay, we hit 1942, as close as you want to say to 60 as we could. Now it's trying to digest. And what we have seen is we have to be purchasing away from the supply or the demand. And so when we have supply and demand as a double peak here, double distribution, dual distribution, you have to understand, how would they play it if they didn't want it to go all the way to here? How would they play it if they didn't want it to go all the way to here? How would they play it if they didn't want it to go through? If they didn't want it to go through? So those are the kind of things that we've been narrating in the live trading desk. So what we have been doing is waiting for position 1 to fire off, and we execute. Just like every other day, there's no difference. We wait for position 1 to fire off, and then we execute. Now, this one was a little bit cattywampus, so it was away, so we had to wait. But once we went back into position 1, we were able to execute. On the short side, wait till we get into position 1, then execute. This one coincided with the 15-minute KISS chart. This was perfect. This was absolutely perfect. You were able to short here on the 2-minute chart. That makes it real easy. Okay. All right. So that's going to be a quick wrap up. That's going to be a real quick wrap up. What I'm watching for over the rest of the session here, as it's Monday, is GDP on Thursday. So maybe not a whole lot of movement. Maybe we come into narrow state on the 15-minute. That would be beautiful. Just come into narrow state for a day or two, or a couple hours, or something like that, to give us some sort of move away from the narrow state. That's what we'll be looking for. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. We're going to go ahead and end the actual stream at exactly noon. But those of you on Twitter, we'll see you in the live trading desk. We're going to go ahead and put some links down below for you. And if you guys participate in combines or evals with prop firms, go ahead and use our code. We'll go ahead and post those down below as well. And we have a website set up to where you can kind of look at what they have to offer in between them and see which one works for you in terms of prop firms and eval accounts or combine accounts. With that being said, everybody on Twitter, we'll see you in the live trading desk. All right, those of you in the live trading desk, we're going to wrap this up here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and end this one up. What I'm watching is 48.50 to 51 still in play. 48.50 to 51 still in play, and this is what we're watching. Can they push through the 52.75s? That's what we want to see what happens. Yes or no? Can they get it? If they can get it, we got 57.75 and 65.75. That's what we're looking for. And we don't know until it happens. All right, so now they're starting to show the supply at 51.25 400 times. 51.25 427 times. They're getting kind of desperate here. They're just starting to put them out there. So now on your footprint, we'll end it with this. On your footprint at 51.25, you've got 400 offered on the order flow. Okay, but can we? Oh, this is all looking pretty perfect here. See, look at 51 on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so then now they might have some anticipatory offer at 51.25 to absorb the supply or the demand that could push through on a buy stop. 51.25. Watch your 125s here. After this 125 prints, we'll get out of here. Okay, we've got completed business at 1 even. Oh, you guys are going to like this. You guys are going to like this. This is going to be for some fun tape reading, and we'll get out of here. Those of you that stayed, you're going to get a bonus here. Okay, you've got 409 here at 125. 51's the over under on the 15-minute chart. Let's watch the battle between them. Completed business here says this is what you're watching as the over under for the rest of the morning here. Look at that. Wow. So instantly they pull back 2.5 points. They couldn't even print 51.25. We're all over this, folks. Okay, so now what happens if it comes back to it or it doesn't? And we don't know the answer if you're wondering. All right, we'll see you in Discord. That just died. That was anticlimactic. I apologize, everybody. But it's actually really telling the story. Yeah, here's the Discord link here. Absolutely. All right, we're going to go ahead and end it here, everybody. It was pretty anticlimactic. I'll see everybody over in the Discord. Good night. Good afternoon.